Welcome back. All right. Number 11, we're starting at number 11. Oh, we still got F and G up here. don't we? All right, so number 11 wants to know what the inverse of G of X would be. Okay. What is that? All right, so we'll start with the function. We know G of X is equal to 3x plus 4. What's step 1 to find the inverse? Switch the x's and y's. This is really a y here. So we'll switch it. It'll become x equals 3y plus 4. And then step 2, solve for y, right? So minus the 4 over. I'm going to go ahead and switch the sides so my y's on the left. So I end up with 3y equals x plus x minus 4. And then divide by 3. So the inverse of g of x is equal to x minus 4 divided by 3. All right. Look it over, number 12. Alright, so here they want, oh, they give us two new refugees. Here they want, they give us f of x and g of x. And they want us to find f divided by g of x. Okay. All right, so f of x is x squared plus 2x minus 15 over 3 minus x. And let's try to factor the top. A times c is negative 15. Two numbers multiply to negative 15, but add up to 2. 5 and negative 3? Yeah?
Yeah.
So x plus 5 and x minus 3 divided by 3 minus x is real close. It's close to x minus 3. But it's not. What if I factor out a negative 1 from here? What if I pull out a negative 1? What would that be?
It would be negative 3 plus x.
Negative 3 plus x, right?
That's the same as x minus 3.
It's the same as x minus 3, isn't it?
Yeah.
Positive x and a negative 3, x minus 3, right? So these end up canceling out. So then I'm just left with x plus 5 over negative 1, which is negative x minus 5.
And y.
The denominator goes with both of them. Good? You're gonna have this trick on the exam, I'm pretty sure of it. Make sure you understand how to do it. Put a star next to it or something. Alright, 13, that was number 12. Alright, 13 is Alright, is a system of equations with 3 variables and 3 equations. How do we do this?
I'll do it
We enter the matrix.
You have to?
You don't have to. Why would you not? It's fun.
I don't remember the
I know.
one.
Alright, so, hit the on button. Go into the matrix, which is on the left-hand side. About 4 buttons down. Second matrix. Oh. Second matrix. Alright, so then you'll have arrow over to edit. And you're going to edit one of your matrices. And I'm going to do my A matrix because it's already got a 3x3. That's what you want. So just hit enter on the 3x3. And then what you're going to do is put in the coefficients for the left-hand side. And it's got to be set up just like this. All the x's have got to be listed first, then the y's, and the z's, and the equals, and then all your
Oh,
constants.
I remember this one.
So we're going to put in 2, -1, -1. Oh wait, mine's already done. So I don't know how that happened. So you're going to put in all these coefficients.
Click on that 3 times.
Click enter 3 times. 1, -2, 1.
Coefficients are the number in front of the variable.
Okay? Once you get all those in, you're going to go back to matrix. You're going to arrow over to edit, and then down to the B matrix. And that's got to be a 3x1. 3 enter, 1 enter.
Wait,
And
how
you're
did
going
you go back?
to put in the constants on the right hand side. -1, -8, -16. No, wait a minute. That's not right. Don't move. Alright, so you're going to put in the constants. Just relax, don't get this off today. Alright, so then you're going to go, you've got all the information put in. So now you want the calculator to do the work. You want it to calculate the answers. You need to go to the calculator screen. Second quit. And what you're going to do is bring out the A matrix to the calculator screen. So go back into matrix. And it's on names and A. So just hit enter. And it'll bring out the A matrix. Okay? Now you want to hit the inverse button, which is x raised to the -1 power. It's the same button you've been
Teachers,
using.
please keep the students in first period. Teachers, please keep all students in first period. Thank you.
You're welcome. So then you want to bring out the B matrix. So go back to second matrix. Arrow down to B, your own names. So hit enter. And it'll bring out the B matrix. So then if you just hit enter one time, there's your answer, X, Y, and Z. 1, 4, -1.
I didn't get any of those.
So what you want to do is write it like a point. Okay? So this, you will have one of these questions on your exam, and it will be on the calculator portion. Any questions? Deborah, whatever.
One last one. I'm checking back to it.
Yeah, check your numbers and put something in wrong. All right, number 14. Figure it out?
I didn't put -6 in.
Okay, that'll do it. All right, number 14, they're given a relation, a set of points.
Sem. Again.
Yes. All right, so you're given a set of points and it wants us to find the inverse. Okay, so what's step 1 to find the inverse? Step 1 to find the inverse. We've done this already. What is it? Switch the x and y's. All right, there 16. Guys, we're gonna- Okay, graph below shows how far Sammy was from work. So how far Sammy was from work in miles from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. based on the graph, which statement could be true. So let's just look at the graph. Left-hand side, we got distance in miles, and that's how far they are from work, yeah? So at 1 p.m., they're 5 miles from work, yeah? And at 3 p.m., it looks like just for like a minute, they showed up to work. It's not right, don't move. They have degrees up there, I don't understand this. Like they went to college. And they can't, never mind. Okay, so it looks like 3 p.m. just for a minute, Sammy was at work, yes? 0 miles from work? What kind of job is that? I want that job. So anyways, okay, what's going on? So Sammy, from 3 to 4, it looks like she's driving away from work and then changes her mind, comes back to work, and this is no, forget it.
Teachers, we are well scheduled off today. We are trying to address the issue. Please monitor the actual time via your clock on your computer, and we will make announcements and attempt to ring a bell at that time to release at the appropriate time. Thank you. This period is not over with until 8:24, so all students should be in their first period class still for Mr. Zayas to do morning announcements here shortly.
This is gonna go on internet too. Okay. Just don't tell what school we're from. All right. So let's see, A, between 1 and 2, Sammy is less than 1 mile from work. No. At 1 p.m., Sammy was at work.
She was at home.
No, she was 5 miles from work. At 2 p.m., Sammy was not moving.
Yeah.
You could say that.
Yeah.
Or she should just be staying the same distance from work.
Or Sammy is driving around a circle from work, right? 2 mile radius, right? Yeah? Okay, at 4 p.m., Sammy turned around and went back towards work. Heck no. Sammy turned around and said, I'm not going to work. Okay, so we've got to go with C, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We'll go with C on that one. Okay,